Look down at your legs right now. If you are over 60, you have noticed a terrifying shift. Your legs feel significantly heavier every single day. Getting out of a deep chair takes massive physical effort. Going up the stairs feels like a monumental chore. Most doctors will tell you this is just normal aging. They are not telling you the entire clinical truth. Your legs are not failing because of your chronological age. Your legs are failing because your muscle tissue is starving. Your vascular system is physically suffocating from the inside out. Today, we are going deep into the raw clinical data. I will reveal 5 specific foods you must eat immediately. These foods instantly trigger biological muscle protein synthesis. They force your restricted blood vessels to open wide. They rebuild your leg strength from the cellular level. Do not skip a single second of this medical protocol. Before we discuss the foods, you must understand the enemy. The medical term for this physical decay is sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the progressive loss of skeletal muscle mass. After age 50, your body actively cannibalizes its own muscle. It breaks down protein structures to survive cellular stress. Your blood vessels simultaneously lose their ability to function properly. This is clinically known as endothelial dysfunction. The endothelium is the delicate inner lining of your veins. It produces a miracle molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. By age 60, your nitric oxide production drops by 70%. Your veins physically shrink and cut off vital oxygen flow. This biological chokehold is why your legs constantly ache. This is exactly why your calves cramp in the night. We must force the blood vessels open and feed tissue. The 5th food on this protocol is wild-caught salmon. If your knees and hips ache, you have systemic inflammation. Your immune system is misfiring and attacking your own joints. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon stop this process. They are powerful biological fire extinguishers for your body. They actively neutralize the inflammatory cytokines rusting your delicate joints. Salmon also delivers a massive dose of active vitamin D. This vitamin is critical for stabilizing your skeletal structure. It pulls calcium out of your blood and into bone. This prevents your arteries from calcifying and turning to stone. The 4th food is dark leafy spinach. This is your ultimate vascular savior for heavy legs. Spinach is densely packed with natural dietary nitrates. When you chew spinach, your oral microbiome starts a chemical reaction. Your body converts these dietary nitrates directly into nitrites. These nitrites then become nitric oxide inside your restricted bloodstream. This forces your stiffened blood vessels to expand rapidly. It floods your starved leg muscles with fresh, healing oxygen. A bowl of spinach opens a massive biological highway. It allows white blood cells to repair damaged muscle fibers. The 3rd food is full-fat plain Greek yogurt. You must avoid the sugar-loaded diet versions completely. Your gut microbiome controls how much nutrition your muscles absorb. This is clinically referred to as the gut-muscle axis. As you age, your beneficial gut bacteria rapidly die off. Pathogenic bacteria take over and cause systemic internal inflammation. The live probiotics in Greek yogurt repopulate your entire digestive tract. They destroy the bad bacteria that cause inflammatory immune responses. Greek yogurt also delivers highly absorbable bioavailable protein. This slow-digesting casein feeds your leg muscles for hours. It contains an amino acid called leucine. Leucine is the master switch for building new muscle tissue. It bashes down the door of anabolic resistance in seniors. The 2nd food you must consume is roasted beets. Major sports medicine clinics use concentrated beet juice for rehabilitation. Beets contain 3 times the vascular opening nitrates of spinach. A clinical study showed beets dramatically increase peripheral blood flow. They push highly oxygenated blood to your lower extremities. They also push blood to the motor control center of your brain. Beets literally improve your brain's ability to coordinate leg movements. This strengthens the vital neural pathways between mind and muscle. This stops dangerous falls before they can ever happen. The number one food is high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Researchers identify these polyphenols as powerful anti-aging compounds. A specific compound called oleocanthal operates identically to ibuprofen. It shuts down joint pain without destroying your delicate kidneys. It suppresses the specific enzymes that cause severe physical inflammation. Olive oil also protects the mitochondria inside your muscle cells. Mitochondria are the microscopic power plants generating your physical energy. When they die, your muscles run out of energy completely. Pour 4 tablespoons of true olive oil over your food daily. Your genetics do not dictate your long-term physical mobility. Your daily biological dietary choices dictate your cellular health. Start incorporating these 5 specific foods into your diet immediately. Throw away the ultra-processed garbage that is rusting your body. You have the power to reverse this biological decay completely. Subscribe to the Medmetrics right now for clinical medical truth. We analyze raw peer-reviewed data to protect your physical independence.